So today I'm going to teach you how to graph this equation y equals 2 sine of x. So first you have to figure out two things, which is the period and the amplitude. To figure out the period first, you'd have to do the number in front of the x value, which would be 1, and have that divided by 2 pi. So it would have to be 2 pi. And then to figure out the amplitude, you would have to do the absolute value of the number to figure it out. So if it'd be a negative, it would be a positive after you absolute valued it. So it'd be the absolute value of 2 would be 2, and you put those into the graph by having the period would be the x value, so it would be 2 pi, and then you divide that by 4, which would be pi over 2, and then you times that by 2, which would be pi, or divide that by 2 pi, divide that by 2, which would be pi, and then for the third mark, it would have to be pi over 2 times that by 3, which would be 3 pi over 2, and the amplitude would just be your y marks, so it would be 2 and negative 2. And to graph this equation as a sine, you'd have to start from the origin, which would be 0, 0, and you'd go to the next point, which would be pi over 2 at 2, and then after that you'd have to go to the pi on the x-axis, and after that you have to go down to negative 2, and you'd have to go to here, and the way you graph it, this. And that is how you graph this equation.